Here goes Kalen's first gun ever. He did it.
There you go. You gotta be rough with it. There you go.
Is that the gun? Something stinks. It smells like...
It's that ammo.
Is it?
Yeah. That's the old ammo. Has a lot of sulfur for some reason.
Yeah, I was gonna say it smells like
It smells really sulfury.
Yeah, that's what it is. He got it.
Is that it? Open the bolt up. Check the chamber. And you're good to go.